Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Emmanuel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the color picker tool on Pixellab. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other people, and kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the color picker tool is a tool that is used on design software to select colors from other images. So for Pixellab, we're going to be selecting the color from these images that we have here. Now, our background is currently a brown background, and we want to change it to any of these colors here. So we'll select the background. The background is a shape that we added, and then we'll head on to the color option, and then we'll head on to the plus arrow here, and then we'll head on to the eyedropper tool here, and we'll select it. As you can see, we have 4 different layers that we're working on. We have the default Pixellab layer, we have the white layer that we added, and we have these images that we added. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be selecting this color from this red icon that we have here. So notice that up here we have a kind of a grayish white color, but when we move around, you can see that the color up there is changing. So once select the color from around here, select it from around here, and we'll check, and then we'll click on OK. As you can see guys, our color has changed from the brown color that we had to this variant of red. This is awesome. So let's try another example. So we'll head on to the plus icon again, and then we'll select the eyedropper tool, and this time around we'll select the subject here, and we'll select around the shirt to pick the yellow color there, and then we'll click on OK. As you can see, the color has changed from red to yellow. So one more example guys, let's import another image to Pixellab. So we'll head on to the plus icon here and to our gallery, and then we'll locate an image that we have there, so that I'll give you the final example. So we'll select this, and then we'll click on OK. So now that we have this image, we want to select the color from the lips. So we'll select the background, and then we'll select this color here, and we'll select the plus icon, select the eyedropper tool, and you can see that our layer has increased, and we'll select the subject. So we'll come down to around the lips, and we'll try to get a good selection of the purple color, and we'll have it there, and we'll click on check, and we'll click on OK. And as you can see guys, our color has changed successfully from the yellow that we had to this purple. So this can also be applied to text. So let's add a text so we can try it. So head on to the plus icon, and then we'll add a text, and let's type a text, graphic design, and we have it here. So let me just change the font to something bolder so that you see what I'm talking about. So we have something bolder. So we want to change this color from what we have there to this red from this icon. So with that selected, we'll head on to color, and then we'll use the plus icon here, use the eyedropper tool, and we'll come down to this, and we'll select a color from here, and we'll click on OK, and we'll check. And as you can see guys, the color of our text has changed successfully from the white color that we have there to this variant of red. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Kindly subscribe to our channel, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you.